At Agar, we believe that green cleaning shouldn't come at the expense of effective cleaning. But how do you know if the green cleaning products you're using are as sustainable as manufacturers claim? That's where GECA comes in, the good environmental choice of Australia Eco-Label. It's Australia's leading independent, not-for-profit, multi-sector, sustainability and environmental certification program. At Agar, we're proud to offer a full range of environmentally preferable cleaning products which carry GECA certification. On top of many stringent criteria, this meaning that these products contain no phosphorus compounds, minimized VOC content, and support of sustainably sourced palm oil and palm kernel oil. By choosing Agar, you can have confidence that the products you're using have been carefully formulated to have minimal impact on our planet. Our green range products are proven, concentrated, and effective, and provide excellent value for money per usage liter. And most importantly, each of them is independently certified as safer for people, property, and the planet. So if you want to ensure a greener clean, trust Agar's GECA-certified green range products. Contact us today to learn more. 1-800-301-302. agar.com.au